Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. This is Eagle Export Couriers Cargo. They're putting Libby on a plane to Kuala Lumpur. She'll be there today week, so I'm excited. And so it's all been organised. It cost me maybe $400 or $500 US more than it would have cost at Chennai if I'd put her on a ship, but then it takes 30 days to arrive in Kuala Lumpur. It'll be there, and I haven't had all that drama. You guys remember when I first got to Chennai? Oh my God, it was just 15 days it took me to get her out of customs. But now this is nice and easy. The carpenter's already been here and measured her up. He'll have her crate ready on Sunday. It's now Thursday. So I'll take it to the airport on Sunday. He'll crate her up. He'll remove all the fuel so she's purged. And then she goes on a flight on Tuesday, and it's Thursday today. She arrives in KL next Thursday. And my niece, Emily, she arrives on the 11th. So perfect. I should have her out of customs when Emily arrives. I'm excited. I'm excited to get back to Malaysia, Southeast Asia. It's going to be so much fun riding through there. Well, that's done. That was an expensive afternoon, but Libby, hello. Just a sec here. That's my YouTube channel. You'll be on this channel in maybe 1 month. So yes, what was I saying? Oh yeah, Libby's booked. She'll be in Kuala Lumpur tomorrow week. I arrive about 4:30 in the morning tomorrow week, so I'll just hang around at the airport, and hopefully she'll be there early in the morning, and hopefully I'll be able to get her out that day, but I can start the process anyway. Yeah. Back to Southeast Asia, guys. I'm excited. I really am excited. I love Southeast Asia. I've had a ball here, don't get me wrong. Pakistan was just incredible. India was an experience, and here, lovely, friendly people here. But I love Southeast Asia. All that food. I'm excited, guys. I really am excited. I'm having a bit of food with this lady, and I forget what it's called, but I've had this a few times with, I think I first had it on the beach in Bangladesh, if you remember, at Cox's Bazaar. But then it's really quite delicious, and it's a mix of all sorts of stuff. And then after, I'll have some pani puri, and then I'll get some food from the bakery up here to take home. Morning. I've got to go back to the freight office. I forgot to give them my carnet, which for those who haven't been following my channel is like the passport for a vehicle. Yeah, they need that to get all the customs stamped and everything. And I'm out of here in a couple of days. Kuala Lumpur. Exciting, guys. Oh, there was no traffic this time, so I'm really early. I don't even know what time it is. I know how I can tell what time it is by looking at it. Let me see. It is, it's 10 to 9, so I'm only 10 minutes early. But there's no one at the office yet. That's all right, guys. I've got all day. I can't believe how many tourists there are. When I was here like 3 or 4 or 5 months ago, hello, hello, let's go. I was just going to go and have a cup of tea and talk on the camera. We're off to the freight office, crate her up. You'll see it all at the end, but I've got to take this windscreen off, take the mirrors off, take the front wheel off, but they'll all do that. They're going to purge the fuel. They swear to me I don't have to purge the oil, which is a good thing. And yeah, anyway, let's get going to the airport. No. It's okay, my friend. Okay, let go. Thank you. It's only about my friend. Thank you. These guys seem to know what they're doing. Done it a few times. I took the wheel off, I took everything apart, they're just putting it in the crate. And there she is, all in bits again. Not her first journey, but her first aeroplane ride. Bit exciting, eh, Libby? Exciting, my friends. Now I have found out since that there is another company that would have done this for about 2/3 of the price, but I trust these people. They're doing an amazing job. They've done this so many times before, so I'm not fussed that I pay a bit extra. Nearly all done. My only worry is they've insisted my helmet will be safe in there. I hope so, guys. That's my life in there, but they've done this a lot of times. They've done this a lot of times. I strapped my boots to my riding gear, jackets, everything in there, pants are in there. I'll just have the camera gear and my little backpack to go on the plane. Now they're just doing my car now. Yeah, she leaves here Tuesday morning. I think she goes via Hong Kong. She arrives in KL Wednesday afternoon. I arrive in KL first thing Wednesday morning. I booked a hotel near the airport. There's nothing near the airport except for the summer. But I couldn't afford that this time, guys. It's just too much. I couldn't justify it. When you're in between flights, then I can justify it. But this time I couldn't. So I've got a hotel, maybe half an hour in a taxi from the airport. Then I'll have to come back on the Thursday, do all the paperwork on that side, put her back together. And then Southeast Asia, guys. I'm very excited. My niece arrives on Friday, so hopefully I'll have Libby done by then. She's going to organise for me to meet her boyfriend's parents. I'm looking forward to that. And then I'll go and do Malaysia for a month, then home for Christmas, leave the bike in either Malaysia or Singapore. I haven't decided yet. It's actually cheaper flying out of Malaysia, which is ridiculous, because you change planes in Singapore. So it's maybe you go straight up, straight down from KL to Singapore, change planes, and it's cheaper than getting the second plane straight from Singapore. Anyway, hello. Well, guys, we're just about to leave the Grandview Hotel, head to the airport, back to Southeast Asia. The end of South Asia for this year anyway. Hopefully we'll be back in the next year or two with the tuk-tuk. Bit sad really, but really excited to get back to Southeast Asia. I really love that part of the world. And I should have Libby. They're trying to get me a customs pass to go into the customs shed on Thursday, but that might not be possible. So it might be on Friday. It's Tuesday today. I arrive tomorrow morning, so Wednesday morning at around 4:30, but I've already organised with my hotel that I can book in at 6 AM. So anyway, guys, I'm waffling. I'm going to wait for my taxi. And another airport cockerel. We were here before in the Mount Everest video a few months ago. Now this is the international part. So guys, it's about $6 o'clock now. My flight's not till 9:20, so I think it'll be about another half an hour before the check-in desk will open. Then I'll go and find an airport lounge, be lazy till my flight. Booked in, bags are in, checked in, that's the word I'm thinking of. And through immigration, now I'm in the airport lounge. Really good food here, surprise guys. So I'm going to sit here for the next 2 hours, but I'm pretty sure I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.